I'd like to show how I use these files to rough out the shaping on this chair. I'm using two, right now, the roughest files I have. This is a number 49 Nicholson. I have a number 50, which I use also very much, but after this one. This is really rough, this first go of shaping. I also have this French file, Oreo, or however you pronounce it, I'm not sure. It's a little bit worn out. This is a brand new one that 49 that I bought. This one's a little bit older, but it works out. I like the pointed end that this comes to, and that helps getting into certain places. Now, let me just show you how some of this works. These are those ebony plugs for the wood screws that have to come flush. I'm going to lose this clamp. I know it's going to fall here pretty soon. Let's see if I can get a better grab. Well, I'm going to come over here and try to get a better grab on this. Yeah, I think that'll work better, that direction. Sorry about all the bird noise. I don't know what they're hollering about. I guess they don't like me outside working. As long as I'm in the shop, it's okay. It's a nice day out here. The temperature's not bad. And it saves making a mess in the shop. Also, I get a much better view. The lighting is very helpful. So I've got those things flush. And that's about all I need to do there. And that looks pretty good already. I don't think I need to do anything more there. So, let me come at this way. Now, I'll have to use finer files. This is really ragged. And I'll come back with some finer files. And then eventually, maybe I might be able to get away with some spokeshave work. This is hot hide glue that I use for all this joinery. And then I'm rounding these edges off quite a bit. I don't know if I can I'm trying not to get in the way of hammer all that glue and get that leveled out. And I think I'll just come around here, come at it in this direction. I want to make sure to get all that glue off with these rough files. This looks pretty nicely rounded. And there's some insect damage here on the sapwood. I may coat that with hot glue and let that soak in. I think I'll do that. So that's kind of the process with these files. And I just go around on all the 4 sides here and do all the pieces and the rounding of all the edges. Very rough.